Spring is here, meaning it's the perfect time to get outdoors and on the water. Whether you're going for a relaxing float at the lake or rafting through whitewater rapids, you're gonna have to deal with hauling your kayak or canoe to and from your destination. Now, kayaks and canoes aren't the easiest things in the world to transport, especially by yourself. But what if there was a way to make it easier? I'm Cody from Northwest family-owned Titan Truck Equipment. For over 35 years, we've helped our customers get the right gear for their vehicles. Our team has sold and installed thousands of roof and truck bed racks. So here's what you need to know about the JayLow carrier from Yakima. The Yakima JayLow is known for its versatility and ease of use. You can carry one boat in the J cradle or go all out and stack two boats by adjusting the arm to the vertical position. The JayLow comes fully assembled out of the box and offers tool-free installation. Nice! Simply release the red lever and then open up the padded arm, re-securing it by closing the same red lever. It fits most crossbars, including round, square, factory, or aerodynamic style bars, but beware, square bars with a depth exceeding 38 millimeters are a no-go. Now, if your vehicle does have round bars, you'll need Yakima's round bar adapters for the JayLow. To install it, position the JayLow across the bar and then use the knobs on the right side to tighten it down, making sure the knobs land in a horizontal position. All right, now we get to the fun part. Let's put the kayak on. Adjust the arm to the upright position using the integrated cam lever, and then place your kayak in the rack and secure it with the included heavy-duty straps and bow stern tie downs. Once your boat is tied down in the JayLow, you can use the same SKS key that your other Yakima accessories use to lock them out, making sure no one's able to just walk off with your boat. The JayLow supports one boat up to, wow, I'm not reading kilograms, this is America. Hey Jason, can you Google what 36 kilograms is in freedom units? The JayLow supports one boat up to just under 80 pounds or two boats with a combined weight of just around 110 pounds. Just make sure you have a minimum crossbar spread of 24 inches or more. Alright, so who is the Yakima JayLow for and who isn't it for? Well, if your crossbars fall outside of the compatible range or you need to carry more than two kayaks, you may want to consider other options. If you're not into water sports, well, this kayak rack is a bit overkill. What are you trying to use it for? But if you love kayaking and need a versatile, easy to install rack that can handle one or two boats, the JayLow is a match made in heaven. With adjustable positions and included tie downs, it is a must-have for anyone serious about hitting the water. Have questions about the Yakima JayLow or any other Yakima accessories? Leave a comment down below or reach out to us using the information on the screen. You can check out the Yakima JayLow as well as all other water sport and Yakima accessories by going to our website, titantruck.com. If you like this video, like this video. If you want to see more of our content, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you get an update when we post a video. You can find us on Facebook at facebook.com/TitanTruck or on Instagram at TitanTruck Spokane. I'm Cody, and I'll see you next time.